the poppies are pretty cool. So you see that? Red, purple, yellow, green, pink. And this one is about the same. Pretty cool. And let's see here. Would you open up for me? Same. Now down here we have no. Well, the same. Let's see. Yeah. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And then this one. Look at that. Black. Right, and yellow. And oh, look, the black has white tips. Oh my gosh. So there's a bunch on this one. This is going to be very cool. Billy Bob Joe saying bye-bye and bye bonds.